So babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday si yung special someone o significant other ng aking kapatid na may birthday sa October 13. So advance happy birthday to Miss Georgia Cruz. Nauna na akong bumati kasi baka maraming babati sa birthday mo. Alam ko namang busy ka rin sa work. So mauna na ako para kung mabasa mo man to at least wala na akong utang kasi yun lang naman ang maibibigay natin yung birthday greeting. Wala namang iba na. So more birthdays to come and God bless you at sana on your added year, more patience and blessing comes your way. So, yun lang.